Okay, so we got this old toolbox the year before Stella passed away, and it's just been sitting out in the rain. Okay. So Annabelle did not take a nap and she's on my bed.
A lot of these stickers are falling off.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to keep the ones that are still on.
Yeah, because they're pretty cool.
Like this one, I just peeled the outside off because it was plastic, so it actually protected the sticker.
It looks nice.
But I had to wash it really carefully because I didn't want to destroy any of the stickers.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna take this part.
Okay.
And then that part. Should be the last two.
Okay. Thank you so much for helping me.
Hi.
Thank you so much for helping me.
Oh yeah, of course, Mom. I actually enjoy this kind of thing. I find it very relaxing.
I need to pause this for a minute. We are recording again.
See, I think it's just back here or the paint's coming off.
It could be both. Because it was orange and it was red before, so.
Yeah.
But I'm going to make it purple and black. It's going to be beautiful.
Oh, stunning, just like my mother.
Wow.
take compliments when you see them. You heard that too, didn't you? It's over there. I think someone's just talking loud.
Kids walking home from school.
As long as they're safe.
Shit. Have you seen them? They're walking in big crowds and groups. And
They should have
You know,
never
people
let
could
school
say
back
this-
in.
people could say the same about us because if we go have a barbecue in the park, there's 6 of us out there. That's a crowd. But we all live in the same home. So we pass each other every day in the hall, going to the bathroom, or
Yeah.
getting a drink of water or whatever. But all these other people, they're going to school, hanging out with their friends, going to transmit that everywhere.
You think they would have shut back down after these cases came? People are so worried about money, they don't care about the children. You always see like these old movies and it's like women and children first, or really dramatic comics where it's like, but think about the children. Will someone please think about the children? And I was like, who cares? Well, I care. I have a child. She's almost school age. She ain't going to public school. She ain't. Not until they have a vaccine. That's a few years away. She's gonna have to wait. She's really excited too, but this is the time we've grown up in. Huh?
I don't think they will have a vaccine that quick.
A few years?
Oh yeah.
Right now she's a preschooler. She should be going to preschool.
Right.
It's not gonna happen. When I had that child, I promised to protect her when she was in my womb. If she gets COVID and dies, that's on me. And I'm
Now we just gotta spray paint it?
well, I've got to dry it, woman.
I mean, after all that.
Huh? Yeah.
So we have to find a way to cover it, and I can't find the tarps we had bought.
There's like an actual tarp in the shed.
No, these are painter's cloths, and I could tuck it through, cut a slit, and put the metal part through, and then tape it.
Yeah.
So I could just spray the metal part,
Oh.
and then I could just cover the metal with a piece of newspaper or something, so I could spray the rest of it. Which is what we'll probably do first, is do the purple and then come back to the black, because I don't have the
Okay.
plastic I thought I had. Can't find it. So we're gonna paint it all purple, and then we're gonna do the silver part in black. So it'll be purple and black.
It's purple, but with an accent of black.
Right.
Essentially. And I did not say that to correct you, I said that to clarify.
Yeah.
Okay, so when I started, just to give you an idea of how much dirt and nastiness there was, this was completely empty. And now I'm just gonna come over here, make sure you guys can see. I'm gonna have to pick it up, so if you go ahead and look at that, the bottom ones are thoroughly soaked in dirt and rust and paint and goodness knows what else. So yeah, we'll be back soon.
Well, we're getting it spray painted. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do it myself. I'm not feeling too good. So my daughter is helping me. I am very grateful for her help. I've been really depressed lately. Emotionally not doing good. I'm not looking forward to being trapped. Not at all. How do you deal with it? Being stuck in your house. Anyways, I'll post a picture of the finished product when we're done. The kids are playing on a mattress, or a little crib mattress. We gotta get through it a ways still. I think the purple and black are gonna look really pretty. What projects have you done since you've been stuck at home in quarantine? This is not the first project we've attempted. We've done several different home improvement things by having people bring stuff to us. I ordered 2 cans of paint and ended up with 6 of them. That's how good I am at ordering online. I don't know how to do it. I thought I was getting 2 cans of purple paint and I ended up with 6 of them because they were 2 3-packs of this purple paint. It's called Grape. I really like it. I think it's really pretty color. I think it's going to be so pretty. Purple and black. I can't wait to see it when it's all finished. And I have to thank my daughter, Sarah, for helping me complete this project because I would never have got it done without her help. Thought we were going to pour cement today, but I guess we're going to end up doing it tomorrow. We have to get it done before the storm comes in. We're expecting rain on Sunday, so we have to get it done soon. Wow, isn't that look pretty?
Okay, so I now want to give that another coat. I said let it dry tonight, and I'll just do touch-up tomorrow. And then one more night of drying and it should be done.
I really appreciate you helping me. Let me see your face. I really appreciate you helping me.
I thought you said that because it was like a purple or something.
No.
Hold on, I just wanted to go to the spot.
I just wanted to make sure I told you thank you, and I appreciate you so much. Okay, I don't want to videotape from behind. Okay. It looks so beautiful. Do we need to touch up the black, or the black's good, huh? The black all looks good.
Cook them.
Okay.